While we are waiting for the valve shims and here for the sprocket nut, it's not like we don't have something to do. So this slave cylinder of the rear brake was, no, that's the master cylinder of the rear brake was seized. And now everything clean and nice. Let's clean the rest of it, put it back together and see do we have the action. While we are there, this is bent by the fall, so we will try to bend it on the right, heat it up and bend it. Let's see, can we do that? Hopefully without breaking it. So I polished it up, bent it. I think I got it now. Like how it goes, like this. So I think I got it as it should be. But let's see, yeah. Still, I need to mount it to see, but I think we are very close to be good here. And this slave cylinder, no, this is master cylinder actually, was not working, and we clean it. I have a problem to push it out, the piston that was stuck inside, but I managed to do it with the air pressure through here, and then now everything is cleaned. And now let's put that back on bike and see how we sort out that thing. Okay, so you see the foot peg and the rear brake. I think it's perfect. Flashed with the casing. Yeah, I'm really satisfied. We put the master cylinder on. We need to torque all the screws, but we will now put the brake line, put the line from the reservoir there, and see, can we bleed this brake? Let's see. Yeah, here we go. We have a brake. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't that easy. As first I realized that I forget here where this spring is. On the other side you have that clip ring, but also you have washer under it. I forget that washer and I remove it, put the washer in. I put this new pin, new copper washers, and then bleed the brake with this syringe, as it was too much air to do it in a classical way. So I just pulled the air out, and now the brake is hard, and as you can see, final position is, I think, great. Yeah, so we fixed that master cylinder. Let's now attack these calipers and remove them, clean them, put the new pads on them, and let's move on.